Hello everyone, I am Riya from technodatasolutions.com. How to create the seller account. Step 1. If you want to create a seller account on Flipkart, you will need to go to the Google. Once you're on Google, type Flipkart Seller Account. In the research bar, then simply click on the search button. When you click on the search button, you will see that the official website appears as the first result on Google. It's the seller.flipkart.com. If you want to become a seller on Flipkart, you can click on this link. When you click on the official website of Flipkart Seller, you will arrive at the Flipkart Seller's official homepage. You will see the URL is seller.flipkart.com. If you want to become a Flipkart seller, you can click on the top right corner, that is Start Selling. There are certain requirements to create a seller account on Flipkart that you need to fulfill. First is you need to give a GST number which you can obtain from the Indian government. Second, you will also need a bank account. Third, and of course, you need the products to sell. Step 2. Now it's time to enter your email. It's important to know that if you're planning to sell anything other than the books, you will need to provide your GST, that is Goods and Services Tax Identification Number. However, if you're exclusively selling books, you won't require a GST number. Your PAN card, that is the permanent account number details, would suffice. In case you don't have a GST number, you can seek your assistance from a chartered accountant to obtain one for your business. Alternatively, if you're in need of guidance, you can reach out to us via the contact number displayed on the screen. We are here to help you every step of the way. After filling up all the details, click on the button Register and Continue. In the third step, you will create a strong and secure password for your seller account. This password will be your key to access and manage your Flipkart seller account. You also need to mention your full name and a name to your business to make sure it's both unique and memorable. Then click on the button Continue. Step number 4. The final step involves the verification of your email address to ensure the security of your seller's account. Additionally, you need to upload a digital signature and provide your designated pickup address. This step is crucial to complete the setup of your Flipkart seller account. Congratulations! Now you have successfully created your Flipkart seller account and it's time to list your products and start exciting journey in the world of e-commerce. If you have any further question or inquiry, comment down and we will reply to you as soon as possible. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel to get the high quality content to boost your sales.